Introducing karaage fried chicken Japanese style. Here is the recipe. 700 grams of chicken breast, cut and open flat. Beat to even out thickness and to evenly cook. The marinade sauce. Ginger 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of garlic. 100 milliliters of Japanese sake. 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, mixed well. Zip in and vacuum out air. To start low temperature cooking, start with room temperature to 85 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, and then continue cooking for 59 degrees Celsius to 61 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. By customizing a slow cooker, cheap and accessible low temperature cooking is possible. It is difficult for bacteria to penetrate the interior of the beef, so it is safe to eat by just cooking the exterior surface. On the other hand, chicken has to be cooked until pasteurizing temperature is reached internally. Low temperature cooking will keep meat tender while keeping it safe to eat. Norovirus is killed by cooking for 1 minute at 85 degrees Celsius. Salmonella and other bacteria are also safely killed by this cooking method. Low temperature cooking is currently very popular in Japan. To start frying the karaage. Karaage is already delicious at this stage. 1 egg, 100 cc of rice flour, 50 cc of cornstarch. Mix well. Put flour mix one more time and fry. Cooking oil temperature is 190 degrees Celsius. Lift after 2 minutes. Fry for about 5 minutes. Now our karaage is done, let's eat.